When the month of May is called Ebibi in Yoruba language. Ebibi. Ebibi means 5 things in Yoruba language. So in this month of May, 1 is a month of push. Push. B. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, Ọlọ́run á bá wa bí corona wó ní orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé. Ọlọ́run á bá wa bí àrùn wó. Ọlọ́run á bá wa bí àléèbá àfààtó wó ní orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé ní ẹnu ayé wa ní oṣù Èbìbí yìí. It's also the month of asking. B. It's also the month of asking. B. So in this month of May, whatever we ask, we shall receive. Whenever we seek, we shall find. And whenever we knock, the door shall be opened. It's also the month of vengeance. ABB. It's also the month of vengeance. That is why we have Adabi. Adabi máa ń jà gan ní oṣù Èbìbí. I pray that God Almighty will avenge all our adversaries in this month of May. It's also, finally, it's also the month of knowing. Ebi, it's also the month of knowing. So it's a month where you know things. So if you research this month, you're going to get to the bottom of the research. If you do anything to advance your life, you are going to get answers. So Ebibi, Abiku, Abiarun. Ebibi, ẹjẹ́ bí ní nǹkan tá a bá ń fẹ́. Èbìbí, àdàbí ó jàjọ ògùn, gbogbo ẹni tó bá ń rò wá síbi èbìbí o. Èbìbí, nǹkan tí ó ń rú mi lójú, Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè fi tó mi jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Èbìbí ní oṣù yìí, a ò ní di àwátì o.